We are headed to the river this morning. Mississippi Department of Wildlife Fisheries reports. Gravelin's there's been good reports on flatheads and blue.
Oh, he's a big one. I ain't lying this time.
It's going to be a high of 105 today. So we're got our drinks, everything's prepared. Don't forget, I've said it before, I'll say it again, like, sub, tell your friends.
Right. It's a lot more shallower than I'd anticipated, which is probably going to be a problem if we can't find any holes that are any deeper. That almost looked like a questionable plant. Some things is stacked up. Oh, please don't get snake bit. Oh, yeah. All right. I don't know what we should do. Up or down, down or up, probably down. I'm really excited to use my new setup. This is a $30 rod and reel, super limber, real limber rod. This bait's probably a little too heavy for it actually, but we're gonna see what it do. Underneath that trunk looks like a good ambush spot. There's gonna be one. There's a brim right there. Oh!
Ooh, big freshwater mussel.
Dang. That's like Mississippi's oyster.
Yeah.
Oh,
That's cool. That's a native one too.
yeah. Back where you go.
There's a bunch of the Forbicula leaf flowers. These are the invasive ones.
Oh, the little ones? Yeah, I've eaten those before.
Never heard of somebody eating these.
I just did it for shits and giggles. I seen him. He was a.
Oh no, it's a bunch of
Oh.
bluegill.
Oh well, bluegill same.
Yeah, he came out right here.
There's probably a few of them in here. That's a pretty deep little hole.
Yeah. Oh, he's chasing it again. Got all the minnows chasing him.
Oh, there's some bluegill. This little hole's holding fish.
Oh, dude, they're all right there.
Usually they only you only see them down like in the water.
Dude, that thing's super healthy too.
Yeah, that's massive. That's the reason I was looking at this root. I was like, that looks like a cypress root, and it is. There's some more right there too.
That's cool. Yeah, I just had brim chase me all the way up.
Oh shit. Oh man, they're in there, dude. They're in there. Oh, there's a bunch of them in there. Just get it in your mouth, good enough to get caught, please. Skirt's all messed up, I think. They got wise to it. Oh shit. Bumped. A couple of those. Oh, there it is. There you go.
Oh, there's another one.
That's a stripe.
Yeah.
What are they doing in here still?
Wait,
That's a stripe.
is that a drum?
That's a stripe. What? I didn't think they was still in here.
Oh well, I guess maybe the white bass are still stuck up in here.
Yeah, baby fish. Back in the water you go.
So fun.
Not the big stripers.
Yeah, these are white bass.
Yeah. We always call them stripes. Oh, there goes another one.
What am I doing wrong? Oh, that's a big bite again.
Yeah, third.
you on your spot.
Yeah, you can have it, man. Let me get you one. Yeah, I'm here, little fishy. Oh, he's got some discoloration on his back fin. I know that. I'm pretty. Their spawn's done been gone.
Oh yeah, for a while.
A non-fishy looking scar. There you go. Get him. There's one.
I feel like this is the same one.
I don't know.
I feel like we've caught the same one a few times.
Well, you know, they're about like crappie. They hang out in little packs.
Yeah.
So. Oh, there he is. Yeah, he's like right underneath that. Let's see if I can jig him out. Oh, he's going up in the... Get him. He's right there. Like he was right on you.
What is it? I can't even see it.
I think it's a bass. Maybe a white bass.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, that's a...
What is that?
That might be a drum.
There's a drum. Okay.
It's a drum.
We may have done dirtied it up a little too much too, though. It's pretty deep, like right there. There it is. There's one. Fish on.
Yep, that's white.
That's pretty good. He likes it. He likes the jig. I'm gonna take home, but
I took one on the beach, man.
if you want to, you can. I like my stuff seasoned. Get him.
That's cool. Got to watch it come up and hit it.
That's always the best. We did that with some smallmouth, like no seasonings whatsoever. We had a little skillet with us.
Yeah.
We just seared them in the skillet, skinned them out whole. It was alright. Like, definitely feel like a lot of YouTubers are doing the catch clean cooks are just for entertainment side of things. It's not really that tasty. Unless
Well,
you
if
bring
you're
like
hungry.
all the gear, you know.
Hungry is tasty.
Yeah, I guess that's true. Depends on how hungry you are.
Well, who would have thought the DoorDash would actually deliver all the way out here?
Is the pizza absolutely?
One eternity later.
Go ahead and
Okay.
fuel it. This is my...
Yeah, I was in such a rush this morning. Had to do a Kroger one to run the Sophie so she could get stuff to eat while she's back at camp.
I don't think I've had this, and it's the smokestack.
Man, those are good.
280 calories.
That's the way to go.
Man, that is
No, that's
just...
still good, dude.
That's depressing.
No,
I ain't eating that. What are you talking about? You can have it. Oh, snap.
All broods share three characteristics.
Where is my water? I need high quality H2O. Aha! They got a good looking little girl on there. He's dark.
yeah. They get...
Is there anybody home? It's kind of deep. That's just a little deep channel. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. I think that's it. Fill the sand back in there too. Oh. Like it might come a shower. I got it! I got it! Yeah. What? You angry?
Take a couple breaths. I literally had to chase him around until he like ran out of breath because they have to come up to breathe.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Can you go?
There he goes.
Oh, this might be a Mississippi map turtle.
I had one of those just like that as a pet. He was about that big when I turned him loose too.
He's angry. Say hi to the camera. Yeah, I'll scratch the piss out of you. I think this is a Mississippi cooter. I don't know. I don't know my turtles real well. It is a terrapin.
Terrapin. Water terrapin. Dude. This thing, don't get it too close. I don't want to smell it. That's a big old, that's a white humpback or that's white. No, is that a flathead?
No, I think that's a
Blue?
yeah, I think it's a blue.
Hard to tell, it's all beat up.
Yeah.
Another one of them little spots.
Oh, hell. No, that's, oh yeah.
That's a little largemouth, I think. No, it may be a spot. It's real light. It's a spot, it's light.
Hard to tell when they're that out young.
That's just a largemouth.
Yeah, this is sick as fuck. Jerry might find some arrowheads down here.
Right. Oh, whoa! Oh, fuck! Oh, shit! Oh, my God! Well, it's gorgeous.
I need to probably go.
This is super cool, yeah. It's probably the coolest thing I've seen on the island so far.
Yeah.
Wonder. Get it. Get it. Oh.
On it.
It's nasty.
Yeah, it is.
Baby catfish?
Yeah.
Interesting. The 4-pound test kind of makes me nervous too. That's largy. It's one of them colorful things.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Later, dude. You want to take them, put them in your fish tank? They'd be pretty.
Those things are the biggest assholes.
Whoop. Fish on.